Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to unbox Michael Kors bag, and if you are following my vlog, then there I have mentioned that I am planning to buy one bag and kinda shown this bag as well. So I have received just now. I have MK store near my home, but I ordered it online because I want this particular color bag which was not available here. So that's why I ordered it online. And very quickly, if you happen to be new here, then welcome. My name is Gini and I am uploading new video every day in January. So do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. Also, if you end up liking this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, so now unbox it. Okay, so I have my bag over here. It's in this white color of package, so let's open it. Daniela Michael Kors handbag in acorn color, and it has Saffiano leather, so it does not need extra attention towards its maintenance. You can take it during rainy season or snowy weather. Water drop will not leave any stain. So yeah, I want something like this which require less maintenance, and it has its crossbody chain. So also it has 1, 2, 3, 5 holes, so you can adjust it with your height, like according to your height. So yeah, it has one compartment at the at the back of the bag where you can put your mobile. So let's see whether my mobile will go inside or not. So yeah, you can easily put your mobile or something else. And also when you open it, it has this flip thingy. So when you open it, you can see this zip over here. So here you can put your document and all, like whatever you wanna put. So yeah, it has one good compartment over here, as well as it has two big compartment at the inside of the bag. So at the back you can see it also has card slot, which is plus point of this bag. And I don't know how to show it. Let me, yeah, you can show, like you can see. Yeah, so it has this card compartment where you can put 6 of your cards. So it is very good and it is very spacious. Like I want something not so big, not so small. So yeah, and now on the second compartment you have very good space. Also you have one divider over here. So yeah, and I think in this we have, okay, so we have warranty guarantee card. So it has so many space yet very compact. So I like this bag and I wanted it something for very long. So I ordered it on Christmas Day and I received it today. I am very excited for this bag. So yeah, this is my Michael Kors Daniela handbag in acorn color. Also, some people don't tell the price of the bag while unboxing it. I don't know why, but I am going to tell you the price in case if you are interested and if you wanna buy. So it cost me $198. And for Indian people, you can buy it from Amazon.in. They also have good collection of Michael Kors bags. So I will put the link of this bag or color or in the description box below, so you can check. If you are interested, you can buy. So yeah, I want something in this color, and you can get many more colors of these bags, and they sell in black, blue, red, pink, damson, olive. Like there are so many colors. You can see Michael Kors embossment over here, as well as when you open the bag you can see it over here as well. inside it. I don't know whether you can see or not, but yeah, it is like, and everywhere you can see Michael Kors, Michael Kors, Michael Kors, so it is good. And I like this bag very, 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 very much. So yeah, this is my new bag. Okay, so now I am going to end this video here. Hope you liked it. Share this video with your family and friends. Don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, bye and have a nice day.
I've been loving everything.